Opening Hook 000-030. Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and deep diving the brand new Samsung Galaxy Book6, Samsung's 2026 flagship 16-inch laptop that promises to blend the sleekness of a tablet with the muscle of a workstation. If you've been hunting for a thin and light device that can actually run heavy datasets, design reviews, and AI-powered workflows without breaking a sweat, stay tuned. This review is going to answer that question and more. Segment 1: Core Performance 031-200. First up, under the hood sits the Intel Core Ultra 7 355 processor, a next-gen hybrid chip built on Intel's 2026 7nm node. What makes this chip special isn't just the 12 MB L3 cache or the integrated Intel graphics, it's the AI engine baked right into the silicon. In real-world terms, that means when you launch Microsoft Copilot PC, the laptop can offload tasks like natural language summarization, spreadsheet pattern detection, or even real-time code suggestions directly to the CPU's AI cores, slashing response times by up to 30 compared with a standard Core i7 13th Gen model. Think about a financial analyst pulling together a quarterly report. The Ultra 7 can ingest massive CSV files, run pivot tables, and generate AI-driven insights while you sip your coffee. Compare that to a typical Ultrabook with a Core i5 12th Gen chip. There you'll notice lag when you try to multitask between Excel, PowerPoint, and a web browser full of research tabs. The Galaxy Book6 stays cool thanks to its advanced hybrid architecture, which dynamically shifts workloads between performance and efficiency cores, keeping fan noise below 30 dB even during prolonged rendering sessions. Segment 2: Display Touch Experience 201-330. Now, let's talk about the 16-inch FHD LED touchscreen. Samsung went with a 1920-1200 IPS panel that hits 350 nits and a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. That extra 120 Hz isn't just for gamers, it makes scrolling through long PDFs feel like flipping a physical page, and inking with the S Pen sold separately feels instantaneous, perfect for designers sketching UI mockups or architects annotating blueprints on the go. In bright office environments or a sunlit cafe, 350 nits ensures the screen remains legible without cranking up the backlight, which also helps preserve battery life. Compare it to a typical 1080p 60 Hz display you'd find on many competitor laptops. Those often suffer from motion blur and washed-out colors under daylight. The Book6's touch layer is calibrated for low latency, so when you drag a file from the desktop to a cloud folder, it registers almost as fast as a mouse click, turning the laptop into a true hybrid for both typing and pen-based collaboration. Segment 3: Memory Storage Expandability 331-430. Under the chassis, you'll find 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, delivering up to 6,400 MTs bandwidth. That translates to lightning-fast app launches and seamless switching between heavy programs like Adobe Premiere, Visual Studio, and multiple Chrome windows. Pair that with a 1TB NVMe SSD, and you're looking at sub-second boot times and file transfers that finish before you can say upload. What really sets the Book6 apart is the dual M.2 slots. Most ultra-thin laptops only offer a single SSD slot, forcing you to choose between capacity and speed. Here you can keep the 1TB as your primary drive for OS and daily work, then add a second 2TB drive for archival footage, large CAD assemblies, or AI model datasets. It's a future-proofing move that many competitors, like the Dell XPS 13 or the Lenovo Yoga 9i, simply don't provide. Segment 4: Battery Life Build 431-545. Battery anxiety. Samsung claims up to 24 hours of mixed-use endurance, and in my testing a day of video calls, spreadsheet crunching, and a 2-hour movie marathon, the laptop barely dipped below 40. The super fast charging 2.0 tech delivers a 33 charge in just 30 minutes using the 45W USB-C adapter, meaning you can grab a quick coffee and still have enough juice to finish the afternoon. All of this lives inside a 0.66-inch aluminum chassis that weighs a mere 4.06 pounds. The build feels premium, no flex, a matte finish that resists fingerprints, and a backlit keyboard with 1.5mm travel that's comfortable for long typing sessions. Compared to the HP Spectre X360, which sits at 4.2 pounds and 0.71 inches. The Book 6 is noticeably slimmer and lighter, making it a true travel companion for consultants, freelancers, and digital nomads. Segment 5 Ecosystem Integration AI Productivity. 546 to 715. Samsung's strength has always been its ecosystem, and the 2026 Book 6 leans into that heavily. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you get enterprise-grade security plus the familiar UI. The built-in phone link syncs your Galaxy S series phone for calls, messages, and notifications directly on the laptop screen. Quick Share lets you fling files to a nearby Galaxy tablet or phone with a single tap, ideal for handing off a design draft to a teammate across the room. The AI Select feature is a hidden gem. Hover over any image, text block, or QR code, and a subtle overlay appears, letting you copy, translate, or search the content instantly. Imagine reviewing a contract in a PDF, selecting a clause, and having the AI summarize the legal jargon in seconds. Multi-Control lets you use the laptop as a secondary display for your Galaxy Tab S9, turning your workflow into a seamless multi-screen experience without extra cables. Connectivity isn't an afterthought either. Wi-Fi 6 EEX ensures low-latency streaming, while the port selection includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 compatible USB-C ports, a USB-A for legacy peripherals, and a full-size HDMI 2.1, so you can dock into a 4K monitor or connect to a projector for client pitches without adapters. Conclusion: CTA 716 to 800. So, does the Samsung Galaxy Book 6 live up to the hype? Absolutely. It delivers a powerhouse CPU with AI-centric features, a fluid 120Hz touch display, expandable storage, all wrapped in a featherlight aluminum shell that can survive a day-long marathon without hunting for an outlet. If you're a professional who needs both creative flexibility and raw compute power, whether you're a data scientist, a graphic designer, or a business consultant, the Book 6 is arguably the most balanced 16-inch laptop on the market right now. If you found this deep dive helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment with your biggest must-have feature for a laptop, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews coming every week. And if you're ready to upgrade, check the description for an exclusive link to purchase the Samsung Galaxy Book 6 with a limited time discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.